there is an hour that any Muslim who happens to be standing up in prayer at that time and prays to Allah for anything, Allah will certainly grant it to him or her. So there is a specific hour where Allah answers the dua of people who are invoking him. What is this hour? There are so many different opinions of scholars, and I mean many as in like 30, 40 different opinions. I've lost track of them, but the most authentic opinion, or the most likely a time for answering, would be the last hour of a Friday. And most righteous people I know stay in the masjid after Asr prayer until Maghrib prayer. So they recite Surah Al-Kahf, they recite the Quran, they make dhikr, and just before the adhan by 10 minutes, they take their positions, raise their hands, and start to make dua. Make dua, make dua, make dua, until the adhan is given. And there's a hadith that this is the most likely time for the hour of answering. Some scholars say it is when the imam rises on the pulpit, on the mimbar. And some say it is when he sits down between the two sermons. And some say it is at the end of the sermon. Some say it is during the salat of the Friday. And so many different opinions. But what is needed to be highlighted is that surely this is a time of acceptance during the day, time of Jummah, and that we should all put our lists and start asking. You know, when you have a problem in this world and you're appointed an appointment, you're given an appointment with dignitaries, with the president, with the king, with someone who is a CEO of many companies who can help you. You would probably write a list. And when you meet him, you say, listen, I am your Highness, I need this, and I need that, and I need that. Now, he may give you, and he may not. Simple as that. No one can force him to give you. When you are supplicating to Allah, shouldn't it be much better? Because the king, the president, the CEO gives you something that he does not possess, really. We are not the owners of what we have for real. And this is why we have to try our level best to devote our times to supplicating to Allah Azza wa Jal, listing our needs and asking Him Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to answer them, specifically when we know that this is the time for answering, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.